Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will share with you step by step how to cancel your ticket on tickpick. So friends, if you want to cancel your ticket, follow me in this video guide. So if you have any ticket here and you want to cancel, all you have to do, go to the submit a ticket from here. So when you go to submit a ticket, choose your type below ticket, choose ticket help. From this issue type, choose purchasing, managing my choose purchasing tickets in this case, or choose with existing order. So choose your choose your management accounts from here. The subject, click cancel ticket, as you can see here. In this one, click cancel a ticket. If you want to cancel, just click here, click this link below. From here, you would see all the ticket available. So just click go back from here, click contact option, and then just await, click submit a ticket as I say. From a request, choose your ticket pick help, and the subject, choose your issues purchasing ticket. Subject, click cancel ticket, as you can see here, and then choose this description and then click submit. From here, you can cancel your ticket successfully without any problem. So friends, and you can go to your profile activities from here. From activities, if you have any ticket, you can cancel from this section. This is how you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. You can reach the call us this number to cancel via call 84538457. So I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like, share this video. You can also use an email here to submit your ticket for your email. Thanks.